We just got the Drinkwell multi-tier pet fountain, and we are going to unbox it. We do have the quick start guide. I'll look at that in a moment. We do have the carbon filter. See an extension cord. Just a side note, we do have Trixie, the elderly pug. She's 14 and a half years old. But we also have Benji, and he's a Chihuahua Terrier mix. And noticed outside he does like drinking from the fountains. We have water feature plants that have fountains in them, and he likes drinking from those. So I think he'll enjoy this water fountain as well. Now, this extension cord, it's on the back. It comes like this, 2 separate parts, and it is 5.5 feet long. The main enclosure is top rack dishwasher safe, but I'm fairly certain we're just going to stick to hand washing when necessary. But the pump that's inside, that should always be hand washed. All right, so the first set of instructions in the manual really is just a good way of cleaning off any additional dust or particles that might have been left in the manufacturing process, just so your doggies, that's not the first thing they taste. Alright, so the carbon filter is this part right here. Now, it does recommend that the black side is facing the pump. So the pump is in this little area right here, and it just slides in, like this. And then putting it back together is not hard at all. Alright, so I'm going to now place this where I want it to be. Off camera, I did measure the extension cord. The extension cord is more so a generous 5 feet. It is not 5.5 feet long. Alright, so Pug's looking for the water. Almost ready, Pug. Almost.
Water's not there yet.
She's a little confused, but this, I'm about ready to fill it up. Okay. And it's not plugged in. It's not plugged in quite yet. Because once you plug it in, it turns on. It's okay. Okay, well, she's thirsty regardless. So I plugged it in. It's just, well, it's going. You just can't see right now because she's drinking. Alrighty. So we started using a water additive recently, and it's designed to help improve the oral health of cats and dogs by helping remove plaque and tartar. And that's why we might not use the carbon filter all the time. That does take that water additive out. The filter here in this fountain does help purify the water, and really the big reason for us getting this is the movement of water. The cats love it. I see the cats always try drinking out of the bowl before, but like they weren't interested. But they love their little fountain. So that's the biggest reason for us getting this. Animals sense that moving water is safer than stagnant water, so this does help encourage animals to drink more. She's suspicious. She's not used to it moving. And Pug, clearly Pug loves it. The motor for the fountain is very quiet. you barely hear it. All you hear is the flowing water. So that's a look at the Drinkwell multi-tier pet fountain. Make sure you check the description section below for more information. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.